Hi, welcome to How to Draw Simple. Today we're going to learn a few different ways that we can draw some tumbleweeds. Let's start off with a simple one. Start by drawing a long curved line that comes up and over to make half of a ball shape. Then, draw a few more lines around it, doing the same thing to fill out the ball shape a bit more. Did you know that tumbleweeds are actually dried up bushes? When a bush dies and dries up from the hot desert sun, the branches get brittle and easier to snap. When a strong wind comes by, it snaps the bush off at the base and it goes tumbling across the desert. So when you're drawing your lines, make sure the bottom always starts close to the others because that's where all the branches sprout from. But the ones on top can be a bit more spread out to give it a more wiry, branchy look. Once you have the ball shape pretty filled out, you can even throw in a few swoops and extra curved lines to give it a bit more texture. And now you've got a tumbleweed. Next, let's do another one that has more detail to the branches. Start with a short, straight line for the main stem that turns and curves up and over like so. Then, another line that branches off from the main stem that makes a few jagged curves under and up on this side. Now, we can add a few more branches from those lines with more jagged curves to fill out the ball shape a bit more. Keep adding branches here and there until it looks filled up, making sure to have any main ones branch out from the base. And now you've got another tumbleweed. For our last tumbleweed, let's start off with a short line for the base like before, followed by a big curved line going up and over, and another coming under and up. Next, add a few more lines curving up and over, or under and up like before, to fill out a bit more. And now, we can add some more detail by drawing a bunch of thin branches coming off of those main ones. Keep going until you've filled out most of the space in between the branches. And finally, add some long, thin lines curving up and around from the base like so. And now you've got some tumbleweeds. If you have any more desert-themed requests or suggestions, let us know in the comments below. And check out these videos for more.